Today we will learn lesson 10. Okay. Amsa sağlaşlar şu bugünkü dersimizde bunu bir sual bilan başlayalım. O bo'lsa, what kind of musical instrument is it? All right, amsa do'stga qaranglar. Qarasanglar. Okay, what is this? Okay, it's a saxophone, right? Balkim anlagan bo'lishinglar mumkin. Saxophone bu dunyoda bir dangliq bir cho'lpon bor. Kenny G deb qo'yadi. Kenny G deydi. Bu odamninki shu muzikalar intayndanliq. Masalan, ko'pincha shu dancing telefon qilsanglarqa o'y qaytishda bir muzika bor. Shu narsa nima desam, shu saxophone chalamiz. Okay, nima desam? This is a saxophone. Okay, aytyapsiz. What about this? Okay, accordion. Accordion. Bularni 90-yillardagi naqshlar ko'pincha nima desanglar, Uyg'urcha naqshlarmi? Bu naqshlar mushning narlayam bo'lgan. Nima accordion? Accordion Uyg'urcha deymiz bu. Saxophone nima shu? Saxophone, sax deb qo'ydi. Okay, endi macho. What about this one is drum? Drum ni bilamizlar. Drum degan nima? Drum shu dumbaq. Shuni, dumbaq, har xil dumbaqni drum deydigan gap. Okay, macho, guitar. Buni guitar deb qo'ysa qolmaydi. Guitar. Okay, that one is guitar. So, andaqda macho. Qarasanglar bir xil g'alitarak shunami? Nima edi bu? What is it? It is clavichord. Okay, clavichord. Bu bo'lsa nima desanglar? Clavichord. Andaqda bugungi darsimiz nima desam, lesson 10 not for jazz. Qaranglar bu yerga bu ikki narsa o'xshashlar nima? Pianino. Endi men birisi nima desam, it's a 14th and 18th century small key, not right for jazz. This is called clavichord. Okay, it's called clavichord. Yenidikcha desam, 19th century, endi 19-asrda yasalgan bir pianino. Demek hozirgi zamondagi moda hozirgi zamondagi nima desanglar pianino. Endi buningki tili. Masalan, konubkisi deymiz-ku, key deganimiz. Tili ya konubkisini cho'ngchu. Bu nima desanglar hozircha jazz ulandi, pop ulandi, har xil muzika qanday desanglar mos keladi. Demak, endi bu clavichord qanday desanglar tili kichik, bassa qanday desanglar ishtiq tarix so'zlab ketadigan mos kelmaydi. So, which one is the clavichord and which one is the modern piano? Of course, this one is a clavichord and that one is pianino. Okay, piano, right? This is something about it. Hamsa, bugunki shu not for jazz niki gedganing time muhim bir so'zlar bilan bir tanishib chiqaylik savodashlar. So'zlardan keyin ana tekst kelsak. Okay. You know, this is strings. Endi bu pianoni qarasanglar, menda tillar bor lekin, nima? Endi uni qarasanglar, nima desanglar, uning ichida yana uzun manda tarz bor-ku. Tar degan nima deymiz? String deymiz-ku. Uni degan endi tarni tarangishtirgan, manda bosadigan, qo'l bilan bevosita biz ko'rib turgan nima desanglar, key. Uni nima deymiz? Key deymiz. Bo'lsa string. String deganimiz sho'yna, jip, yak tarisi. Key deganimiz konubkisi. Arada gitarning nima desanglar, taris bor, shunami? Shuni nima deymiz? String deymiz, string. Masalan, piano is kind of musical instrument. And the musical, and the music deganimiz muzika. Music deganimiz muzika. And the muse, M-U-S. Bu so'z yiltizining ma'nosi, endi xushal qilmoq endi bu hisobda so'z yiltizlariga kelgan desanglar, muse. Xushal qilmoq. Masalan, amusing deb so'zlagan shunaqa. Amusing bo'lsa, adamni xush qilgan, adamni kuldiradigan degan gap shunaqa. And the musical degan shu, and muzikalik. And music degan shu muzika odamni bir xush qiladi. Shunaqa. Demak, endi musical deganimiz musical, muzikalik. And instrument degan asbob. Yoki nima desam, cholg'u asbobni deymiz, musical instrument. Masalan, dutar, ravab, tambor, pianino, gitar degandek nima? Shu musical instrument. Demak, instrument deganimiz asbob, shunami? Good. Next one is I just got a prize not long ago. Okay, endi mana birinchi darajalik mukofotga erishib tashnama. Endi bir shariki recently, not long ago. Uncha uzun bo'lmadi. Demakchi erishganimga ancha uzun bo'lmadi. Demakchi recently. Okay, recently yaqinda. Tushunami? Recently yaqinda. Okay, I've just got a prize recently. Men yaqinda nimaga erishdim? Mukofotga erishdim. Mukofotga erishdim. Okay, recently degan shu yaqinda. Okay, and then his car was broken because of accident. Uning mashinasi qanday qildi? Broken, buzildi. Because of sababidan nimadan? Because of accident. Kutilmagan vaqa sababidan, shu vaqa tufaylidan uningki mashinasi buzildi. Okay. Endi mishariki damage deganimiz shu buzilmoq, yaralanmoq bo'lsa damage. Demak endi bu nima? Mush broken bilan qandarsam o'xshash. Demak broken o'rnida damage. Demakki bu ikkisi ma'noda so'zlar. Damage. Okay, damage. Damage degan nima bo'ldi? Yaralanmoq, buzilmoq yoki nima? Broken. Broken. Okay, look. Okay, we were surprised by or at his behavior. Okay, nima desam, biz qanday qildik? Surprised. Hayron qoldik. Nimadan? At his behavior. Behavior degan nima endi shuning harakatlaridan, qiliqlaridan tushunami? Uning qilgan qiliqlaridan biz qanday qildik? Surprised. Yoki nima? Shocked. Wow, it's shocked. Okay. Demak, we were shocked and surprised. Hayron qoldik. Demak, shock degan cho'chib ketdik, tushunami? Tushunami? Okay, mana rasmni qarasanglar bildi-ku? Shock. Shock. Macho balla. Bularni ekan. We mustn't do some certain thing in public places. Okay, demakchi ma'lum bir ishni qanday qilsak bo'lmaydi ekan, biz qilsak bo'lmaydi ekan. Endi bu yerga allow bo'zcho yo'l qo'ymoq. And we are not allowed to do some certain thing. Certain thing deganimiz ma'lum ishni. Beni qo'ymagandan ma'lum bir ishni shu ommaviy o'rinda qilish cheklanadi. Shunami? Masalan, birinchisi nima aytsangiz, signal chelish cheklanadi, ikkinchisi tomog'a chekish. We are not allowed to. Demakchi endi shu biz shuni qilishga yo'l qo'ya olmaymiz degan gap bor endi. We are not allowed to. Okay? Masalan, I am not allowed to play computer at home. Men uyda kompyuter o'ynashga yo'l qo'ya olmayman. Demakchi ota-onam menga yo'l qo'ymaydi degan gap. Allow deganimiz yo'l qo'ymak. Okay? Allow. Okay, what about this? We touch a lot of things every day. Touch. Touch degan shu tegish. Ko'raman resimda. Nima desam, qo'li bilan qanday qilyapti? Touch. Masalan, kompyuterning ekranini touch qilyapti. Shunaqa, o'sha nima deymiz? Touch deymiz. Ana touchable screen deymiz. Unaqa chumupin deb qo'yamiz, sezimchan ekran. Masalan, check ekran deb qo'yamiz, shunaqa. Touchable. A B L E. Touchable. Degandek. Okay. We touch a lot of things every day. Biz har kuni nurg'un narsani tutamiz. Yoki nurg'un narsa qo'limizga tegiradi degan gap. Xo'sh, hamsa our guess. Endi bu so'zlarni bir guess qilib beramiz savolashlar. O yana, ama birinchisi nima so'zda savolashlar? Birinchisi-chu AZ bakana. Masalan, uni jazz deb o'qishunami? Ikkinchisi nima? UCL deb o'qinglar. 1 2 3 4 5. Tapanglar? Okay, musical. It's called musical. And the Kings, Kings say S-U-N. Okay, what is that? S-U-N. It's instrument. Okay, yaxshi, instrument. Axir T bilan oxirlash instrument. Asbob shunami? Okay, endi mana oxir D bilan oxirlashgan. Okay, it's clavichord. Shunami? Clavichord. Good. Next one. E-T-Y. Ama shu Y bilan oxirlashgan. Abonemi so'z. Can you guess? It's recently. Good. Yaqindan buyon tushunami? Recently. Nima keyingisi? A-G. Damage. Good. Damage. Damage deganimiz nima? Shu yaralanmoq. Xo'sh, keyingisi E. Bir tal E nima edi? Is it key? Yaxshi. Macho. TN. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's string, right? It's string. What about next? HC. O'rtada HC harfi bor. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shock. Yaxshi. Shock. Ona kelgancha L O. Okay, buni biz bo'linglar deymiz shu. Allow. Oxirgisi touch. So, siz so'zlarni bir o'qiydilar. Jazz. Okay, jazz. Musical. Instrument. Clavichord. Okay, clavichord. Recently. Damage. Key. String. Shock. Allow. Touch. Good. Answer sağlaşta teksimiz geldik. Hem de teks başlaştan burun. Köngül koyup maniki anlaş kısmını bir anlayırsanlar. Anlagan eken de nima arasanlar. Mush so'zlarniki right and yoki wrongligiga qanday qilsanlar, bir hukm qilsanlar. Bo'ldi. Endi ko'ngil qilib anlasanlar.
Lesson 10. Not for jazz. First listen and then answer the question. What happened to the clavichord? We have an old musical instrument. It is called a clavichord. It was made in Germany in 1681. Our clavichord is kept in the living room. It has belonged to our family for a long time. The instrument was bought by my grandfather many years ago. Recently, it was damaged by a visitor. She tried to play jazz on it. She struck the keys too hard, and 2 of the strings were broken. My father was shocked. Now we are not allowed to touch it. It is being repaired by a friend of my father's.
Okay, finished? We had a new musical instrument. Okay, and new mo, old mo? No, we had an old musical instrument. Okay, and the clavichord was made in Germany. Clavichord, Germany, yeah, it's made in Germany. Our clavichord is kept in the bedroom. Okay, our clavichord is kept in the bedroom. Clavichord nəyət saxlanğan edi? Bedroomda. Bedroom degan nima balla? Bedroom deganimiz yataq qo'yish nima? To'g'rimi? No, we kept it in a living room. What about this? It was bought my grandparents many years ago. Okay, it was bought my parents many years ago. No, it was by my grandfather. Grandfather, I mean, 총다람 degan gap, many years ago. Demakchi, meni 총다ram tarafidan bir necha yil burun setib olam qoldi. A visitor tried to play light music on it. Okay, endi men light music chingsong yiyor deb qo'yamiz. Ching yiyor, yenik muzika, yenik muzikchilik o'rindi. Yoki sinab baqdi. Shunami? No, he visitor tried to play jazz on it. Uning ustida jazz music chalib. A friend of my father's is repairing it now. Is it true? Yeah. Remote okay. We had a musical, okay, matched the phrase with the subtitles. Okay. And then we should subtitle what happened to the clavichord? Well, clavichord nim bo'ldi. Demakchi qadimki pianino nim bo'ldi. What my father did with it. Okay, what my father did with it. Uning dadam o'lgan qanotni bir taraf qildi. Our clavichord. Demak, anu 3 tal qo'shimcha tim bor ekan. Mush qo'shimcha timlarni mush abzaslarga qo'yamiz, ha. Ansa bir o'qib boqaylik. You know, we have an old musical instrument. Bizning ko'na bir musiqa asbobimiz bor. It is called a clavichord. U clavichord deb ataladi. It was made in Germany in 1681. U 1681 yili Germaniyada yasalgan. Our clavichord is kept in the living room. Bizningki clavichord, yoki qadimiy pianino bizning mehmonxonamizga saqlaqliq yoki shu yoqqa qo'yaqliq. It has belonged to our family for a long time. O bizningki oilamizga tava bo'lgani yoki mush oilamizda bo'lgani bir necha yil uzoq vaqt bo'ldi. The instrument was bought my grandfather many years ago. Bu musiqa asbobi mening cho'ng dadam tarafidan bir necha yil burun setib olingan. Demakchi cho'ng dadam bir necha yil burun setib oldi. Okay. Endi demak hamda ma'ni ma'risanlar bu nimani tunishtiribdi? A-mu, B-mu, C-mu. Qaysini tanladinglar bolalar? Which one? Which did you choose? Which one? Yeah, C, our clavichord. Demak our clavichord deganni hamisha har qanday qilib chiqdi, tunishtirib chiqdi. Recently, it was damaged by a visitor. Yaqinda bir mehmon tarafidan yoki bir ziyorat qiluvchi tarafidan qanday qilindi? Zaxmlantirildi, buzib etildi. She tried to play jazz on it. Uning ustida mana shu jaz musiqasi chalishga urinib baqdi. She struck the key too hard and two of the strings were broken. Hamda u konopkani shundoq ching bosganlikdan uning ikki tal tarisi qanday qildi? Uzilib ketdi. Demak hamda maqaysa A-mu, B-mu, C-mu? Which one? Of course A. Demakchi clavichordga nima bo'ldi deganni tushuntirishmi? And oxirida nima desam, my father was shocked. Dadam cho'chib ketdi. Now we are not allowed to touch it. Hozir biz uningga cheqil qilib bo'lmas qilibdi deydi, nima? Shu cheqilishga tegishga qanday qilib yo'l qo'yildi. It's being repaired by a friend of my father's. Hozir u mening bir dadamdan bir do'st tarafidan qanday qilinadi? Remont qilinadi. Gapdan demak, hamda bu shu abzaslari sağlashda birinchisi nima deb so'zlanib turdi? Our clavichord cho'nlashtirilibdi. Undan keyin ikkinchisi what happened to the clavichord? O'yning bo'ldi clavichord. Undan keyin what my father did with it. Hamda u dadasining nima ish qilganligini so'zlanibdi. Xo'sh, hamda bugungi darsimizdagi intayin muhim language nuqtalari. Qaranglar. Birinchisi nima desam, it was made in Germany. U nerede yasalgan? Germaniyada yasalgan. Mesela silk is made in China. Okay. Hamda mishariki ipak Jumhuriyatda yasalgan. Demak hamda sağlaşlarni mera bir intayim muhim bir nuqta bor. Mesela qaranglar, the plane is made of paper. Hamda mera yasalgan. Mesela paper is made from wood degandekchi. Hamda mushunga o'xshash made-ning ne xil shaklini ko'rdik. Men oldida nima ko'rdik desanglar, masalan it was made in Germany, made in China, undan keyin nima made from degandek. Demak, hamda mishariki made of, made from, made in, made by degandan farq bor. Xo'sh, hamda made of deganimizchi desanglar, made of degan bir tal narsadan yasalgan bo'lsa, shu bir xil materialdan yasalgan bo'lsa made of deysizlar. And made from deganimiz nima desanglar, made from degan bir qancha xil narsadan yasalgan bo'lsa, uni made from deymiz. Okay. And made in bo'lgan bo'lsa, made in deganimiz ma'lum bir o'rinni ko'rsatadi. Masalan, made in China. Jumhuriyatda yasalgan o'rinni ko'rsatadi. And made by degan shu yasalgan kishini ko'rsatadi. Qaranglar, birinchisi nima? The desks are made of wood. Okay. Nima? O'rindiqlar, stullar nimadan yasalgan? Yog'ochdan yasalgan. Desks are made of wood. And the paper is made from wood. Okay. Nima qog'oz nimadan yog'ochdan yasalgan. Endi buning farqi nima desam, qog'oz yog'ochdan sirib yana chiqil bir narsadan tarkibdan boshlanadi. Shulardan yasalgan. Okay. Endi men harakat that t-shirt endi men UK bo'lgan ekan nima desam, bu in shunami? It was made in UK and the cho'ng bir o'rinlarga nima keldi? In keldi shunami? The t-shirt was made in UK last year. And the card was made by a little boy. And then the man said, o'maq kichik bola tarafidan qanday qilib yasaladi. Demak, made of bir xil narsa, made from bir qancha narsa, made in ma'lum yara, made by shu sanla shu nimdan so'zgan. Demak, endi bu shuningdek savollar bu jumlalarni bir takrorlamasan, made in Germany, made in China, made of paper, and made from nima? Made from wood. Okay, made from wood. Okay, and then nima jiq narsa yasalgan bo'lsa nima? Shuni made from things. Okay. Xo'sh, amsa ikkinchisi nima desanlar? It has belonged to our family for a long time. Okay. And the misharike belong to tava bo'ldi. Masalan, it has belonged to our family for a long time. Deganimiz our family have had it for a long time. Okay, have had it for a long time. Masalan, this book belonged to me before. Bu kitab men burun menga tava. Demakchi burun meningki degan gap tushunami? Okay, masalan, the red car has belonged to Jennifer, belonged to Jerry for a long time. Demakchi belong to demak shu birisiga tava bo'ldi degan gap. It's being repaired by a friend of my father's. Okay. And the American my father, yani birisi nima desan, one of my friends, one of my father's friends. Okay. One of my father's friends. Bu nima degan gap desanlar, qarasanlar, it's being repaired by a friend of my father's, and it's being repaired by one of my father's friends. Buni bilan qanday desanlar, asosan o'xshash. Demakchi, a friend of bir do'sti, demakchi dadamning. Okay. Dadamning, demakchi dadamning bir do'sti tarafidan qanday qilindi? Yaslavadir. Okay, yaslavadir. Bu demakchi, a friend of my father's name is Yakob, one of my father's friend. Father's friend. And there is a book of my teachers. Okay. And the mushaga nars oldiga kelib qolib qolsa, savolashlar. Nars oldiga kelib qolib qolsa, ashni keynining bo'ldi desanlar, bir eskatildi. Masalan, a book of my teachers. Yoki teachers book deydi emasmi? Agar men narsni oldiga kelib qolsa, bu nima deymiz desanlar? Buni shu a book of teachers deydi. Okay. Anaqa bu shu bugungi darsimizdagi intayin ochiqishliq grammatika qismlarini qarab boqaylik. Qarab boqsak endi bu qizcha qanday qilib to'g'ri desanglar, birisi judun holatda, yana birisi bedun holatda. Masalan, I buy some food every day. I buy some food every day. Shundaymi? Agar endi bu bedun holatda bo'lib qolsa desanglar, some food is bought by me every day. Demakchi, shu ba'zi az yemekliklar, yoki azroq yemekliklar men tarafidan qanday qilindi? Setib olindi. Demak, endi shuningki, ma'noningda I judun holatda, ma'no nima bedun holatda. Okay. Masalan, birisi I buy, yana birisi nima desam, I buy some food, birisi some food is bought by me. Okay. Birisi men manda qilaman, yana birisi manda qilinadi, setib olinadi degandekchi. Endi buning shakli qanday desanglar, ma'no qarasanglar, I nimaga o'zgardi? Me o'zgardi. Some food o'zi keldi. Undan desanglar, BP ile, undan keyin PL ninki. Uchinchi xil shakli is bought by me every day. Okay, endi mush yemekliklar men tarafidan qanday qilindi? Setib olindi. Mush buy nimaga o'zgardi? Bought o'zgardi. Qaranglar, hammasi nihoyatda aniq. Endi qaranglar, buningcha. Mavjudun bayram. Mesela she cleaned the room yesterday. O tünügün öğün tazıldı. Tamam? And the öğün tünügün tazlandı demiş, tamam? The room was cleaned by her yesterday. Tünügün öğün o tarafından qanday qilindi? Tazlandı. Demek endi mavjudun holatda she cleaned and the bayram holatda was cleaned bo'ladi. Ondan the room. Qachon? Yesterday o'xshash. Did she clean the room yesterday and room was cleaned by her yesterday? Xuddi endi men bir tal olmaydim, men tarafida yildi degandek gap. Qarasanglar, mush o'zgarishi. Ma room was bet keldi, clean was cleaned o'zgaradi. She nima? By her. By her. Okay, I'm qaranglar nima desanglar, judon holat nima desanglar, he is washing clothes now. Okay, he is washing clothes now. And clothes are being washed by him now. Okay. And the kiyimler u tarafından qanday qilinadi, yuyilyapti. Demek endi jo'dan holatga kelganda is he bo'ladi, baydan holatga kelganda by him o'zgaradi. Tushunarlimi? Undan keyin endi mao feelniki davomlashayotgan is washing nima? Are being washed. Are being washed. Ma wash degan shu feelni 3-chi xil shakli, tushunarmi? Undan keyin nima? Clothes o'xshash kerak. Undan keyin now. Okay, demek he's washing clothes now. Yani birisi clothes are being washed by him now. By him now. Mana demek hamda sağlaşlar. Ama şu be done şeklar kalk nima beydon uytay bo'ladi. Endi ma yibanşan darshini beydon uytayishni mersanlar am is are done. Bu nima yibanşan darshini nima beydon uytaysa. Endi yiban ko'chuni qanday o'ldirsanlar shu was were done. Okay, was were done. And the shanza jinshingni ko'rsanlar am is are being onandaki nima done. Am is are being onandaki done. Demek hamda ma'na aslini bo'lsa ko'chirib to'sqanlar. Bo'lsa aytdi. Tafsili bir yozvasan. Qarama. Buni asosan nima aytsalar BP ile. Okay, am is are. Okay, done. Ko'chi bo'lsa ko'chi bo'ldi. Shanday jinshing bo'lsa shanday jinshing. Bir alaylik nima aytsalar, agar hozir davomlashayotgan zamon bo'lsa-mu, shu am is are kelgan gap. Go'chi bo'lsa-mu o'xshashlar qanday go'chi kelgan gap. Lekin ma feelni 3-chi xil shakl jo'ra diqqat qiling. Masalan, do, did, done. O'tgan, tutgan shakli. Endi shu jo'dan holatga kelganda, masalan qarasanglar, masalan am is are done. Masalan, I clean my room every day. Bu belə holat nima? My room is cleaned by me every day. Okay, degandek. Okay, and masalan my room, masalan I cleaned the room yesterday. Agar hamda men uyni tunigan tozaladim. And my room was cleaned by me yesterday. Demek ki men uyim men tarafidan qanday qilindi tozalandi. And I am cleaning my room now. Men hozir tozalayapman. Bo'lgandan nima desam, my room is being cleaned by me. Okay. Ona da kananda jo'dan holatini bo'lganda masalan qaranglar, masalan am is are I clean my room every day. My room is cleaned by me every day. Tushunami? And the was were done bo'lsa, masalan I cleaned my room yesterday. Desa o'tgan zamonda tushunami? My room was cleaned by me yesterday. Tushunami? Ona da kan am is are being done. Masalan I am cleaning my room now. And my room is being cleaned by me now. Being cleaned by me now. Xo'sh, hamsa mush jo'dan beron holatni qarab qolinglar. Jo'dan holat. Masalan, we have an old musical instrument. Okay? We have an old, and we call it a clavichord. And the mana beron holatda nima desanlar? It's called clavichord. We call it. Demek ki call it. To'ldiruvchi vaqtini bo'ldirsanlar, almashadi. It's called clavichord. Someone made it in Germany in 1681. Someone made, and the ma'lum bir kishi yasadi. And it was made in Germany in 1681. We keep our clavichord in the living room. Bundan bo'ldirsanlar, our clavichord is kept saqlanadi yoki shu yerda qo'yiladi in the living room. And my father bought the instrument many years ago. Amda meniki cho'ndadan bir necha yil burun sotib olgan shunami? Endi shundan qani ma'lumlar. Instrument was bought by my grandfather many years ago. Many years ago. Demek amda qarasanglar, nima desanlar? Ma jo'dan holatdiksa Okay. And recently a visitor damaged it. It recently was damaged by a visitor. Damaged by a visitor. She struck the key too hard and broke the two of the string. And he struck the key too hard and two of the strings was broken. Was a broken bullet. Now, this shocked my father. Bu mening dadamni cho'chitib etmiş. Demek ki, mening dadam cho'chib ketdi. My father was shocked. Yeah, now he does not allow us to touch it. And bu bizni yo'l qo'ymaydi, ruxsat qilmaydi. And nima desam, we are not allowed to touch it. Biz yo'l qo'ya olmaymiz. Like a friend of my father is repairing it. And bu it's being repaired by a friend of my father's. Okay guys, bugungi mushu darsimizni mushu mashq qilib boqaylik. Practice makes perfect. Birinchi qiranglar. They in a strong wind 2 days ago. Okay. Endi bishara o kuchlik bir shamolda shu kun ilgari qanday qilibdi? Shunga qilib qopdi shunami? Demak, endi ma'noga asosan 2 days ago asosan biz qarablanma B bilan C inshaalloh o'timiz shunami? Bu oddiy hozircha bana emas. O'tgan zaman bo'lganligi nima? Were qilish kerak shunami? Endi demo desak endi catch deymiz-ku. Catch degan shu yo'li bo'ronda qilib qilish. Demak, endi buniki beydon yetadi. Go to fences nima caught. Shunga asosan nima? D to'g'ri. You know, they were caught in a strong wind 2 days ago. And this is a new hospital near the airport now. Okay. And hazır, şu bir şirket hazır bulayotgan bo'lsa bo'ldi desanlar is being bo'lamdi. Endi men yerga build degandan keyin o'tgan bitgan shakli nima? Built. Ama shunga asosan qarablandilar. Shaqqana nima? Sentalib. Okay. Siz arkadaşlar bugungi darsimiz mushagich bo'lsin. Endi bugungi topshiriq nima desanlar? Tekstni cho'qim yodlanglar. So'zlarni 10 qatimdan 20 qatimga ko'chirishinglar kerak. Ondan keyin qolgan tafsiliy, ham ko'p mazmunlarga erishmoqchi bo'lsanglar, bizningki to'rbetimiz g'oycn ni nima qilsam bo'ldi. Bo'ldi. Bugungi darsimiz mushagich bo'lsin. See you next time. Goodbye.